Hello everyone, I'm Soumya. I'm here to present the digital strategy for Blackmores. As we all know, Blackmore is Australia's most trusted brand for vitamin, mineral, and nutritional supplements. But according to the research, the vitamin and dietary supplement market in Australia contains a lot of competition. Due to the availability of very similar kind of product from brands like Swiss, Healthcare, Nature Owns, etc., it's difficult to maintain the long-term loyalty with the customers. Secondly, even after the intense competition among the Australia supplement market, the consumers are also getting attracted towards the international companies. So, as a solution to this problem, Blackmore must maintain its position among the customers by highlighting their USPs and educating people more about their product. Blackmore should apply differentiation strategy. The brand must make people aware of why they are better than other brands. Coming on to the consumer insight, over the past couple of years, there has been a significant shift in how people think about wellness and health. They are no longer happy with the generalized one size fits all approach. They wanted to be treated as individual, and personalized treatments and products have taken hold throughout the health and wellness industry in an attempt to meet the changing needs of consumers. So, as per the brief, our target audience is independent activists. These are the audience between 80 to 40 with no kids. They have a holistic approach to life. Health and happiness are top priority for them. Second is healthy traditionalists. These are affluent women for 50 to 64 years. They are active and consume healthy food, and they will prefer proven supplements for keeping their immune system strong. So, coming on to the digital media strategy for which we all are here, I've selected Facebook as the first platform, as according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, 60% of the total country's population are an active users of Facebook, which includes both our target audience group. So the idea is to build a community page at Blackmores. It will already have blog posts and videos of interest to our end consumer, but we need to take it one step further by creating a user forum for listing doctors and their recommendation. Also, with the community page, real-time consumers will be able to give feedbacks and suggestions to the new users. It will also be a direct platform to market new product, and most importantly, lookalike audience tool can be used very effectively. By creating a lookalike audience, it's much more likely that these people will want to purchase from our brand since they are similar to our existing customer. Our second platform is Instagram. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, 89% of Australians takes an action when they saw product on Instagram, and also Australians shares 1 million Instagram stories every day. Therefore, Blackmore should produce more of a user-generated content. That means story of current Blackmore products, users, video, testimonials should be shared across the Instagram account, and also these consumers can be encouraged to share these type of videos on their own Instagram account as stories. This platform will generally be used for audience between 80 to 40 with no kids. So our next platform will be YouTube. According to the special reports of Digital 2020 in Australia by We Are Social, 80% of the audience in the age group of 16 to 64 uses YouTube. And today's culture is all about visual. A video gets the product and the company in front of more sets of eyes. And YouTube also has huge reach, and video attracts around 80% of the traffic. Although Blackmores do have a YouTube page, but they should focus more on personalized videos, focused on needs and wants of an individual. No lengthy general video should be uploaded, and more frequently the video should be uploaded so that there is a traffic in the YouTube page. And Blackmores can advertise on YouTube in following formats like roll ads, bumper ads, and videos as sequencing. Next, to promote supplements with discount sales and sample offers, 3 mediums can be selected: email marketing, affiliate marketing, and Amazon paid promotions. According to research, vitamin supplements have an email open rate of 15.03%. So Blackmore should start sending mails to their customers, but of course not regularly. Weekly would work out. They can send mails regarding sample, offers, discounts, sales, as well as giving some few recommendations to the individuals and some health related tips. Second comes affiliate marketing. So it's a consumer insight that customer reviews are trusted more than the marketing materials. And affiliate marketing works better for Amazon and countless other supplement business. Blackmore can pay other website owners and bloggers a percentage for any sale that comes through their site. An affiliate program motivates other bloggers to write about you and profile your products so that more vitamin users can learn about your offerings. So this way affiliate marketing can be used very effectively. And the last is Amazon paid promotions. So in Amazon paid promotions, there might be some products of Blackmore that are frequently purchased by the consumer. So they can list under the Amazon best seller. It will boost brand visibility also and the product sales. So this completes the digital media strategy for Blackmore's, and this will help us to solve the listed problems as well. Thank you for your patience.